Is this how your WooCommerce products look? Basic? Boring? No wonder you are losing sales. And this is not just me saying it. This is backed by research. According to Baymard Institute, 51% of all e-commerce stores have poor product design. That means misconversions. So, poor product design isn't just bad, it's expensive. But what if you could fix it today and do it for free? Eye-catching badges for bestsellers, new arrivals, or limited time offers, smooth over effects for a modern interactive feel, quick view pop-ups that lets you preview products without reloading the page, and built-in add to cart for faster shopping. Flexible layouts, choose from list view, 2 columns or up to 6 column styles. With a powerful product grid, you can build a store like this. Sounds good, right? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it for free, step by step, without touching a single code of line using the XPRO Elementor Product Grid widget. So, let's dive in. So, here you can see this beautiful grid displaying products in a stylish layout. Clicking on any products opens it in a beautiful pop-up. We're going to delete this and recreate it from scratch. Now from the search panel, search for Elementor Product Grid widget by XPRO and drag and drop it here. This is the default view, and if you're wondering all this info, image, titles, prices came from, they are just pulled from your WooCommerce products. So if you've already set products in the backend, they will pop up here automatically. If you don't have any products yet, here's a quick version. In your WordPress dashboard, go to products, select add new, give it a title, add product descriptions, long and short description, add price. If there is any sale going on, add sale price here. From the right side, set a product image, choose a category, assign tags. If the product has any brand name, select the brand. Now hit the publish button. Want variations like size or colors? Let's do this. Let's change the same product to variable. Add your attributes. Go to variations and select generate variations. Fill in the details and add your images you want to display with the variation. Set prices. Let's add a silver image too in the gallery and publish. That's it. I have covered this in detail in my WooCommerce setup video. The link is in the description box below. So this is how you can create products. Let's refresh the page. And here's the product we have added. Since it's a recent product, so it is displayed at first. Now let's focus on personalizing it. Under the Content tab, we have different tabs. Let's start with General. The first thing I'm going to do is adjust the image resolution. Trust me, bad image quality will kill your sales. In Layouts, choose from 10 designs. I'll start with Layout 1. Next, set the columns for the products. Here, you can create the list view style for your products by selecting one column. You can style your columns up to 6. Then we have different toggle options to play with. If you like to show category, switch it to yes. If no, switch it to no. Same goes for title, description, ratings, price, and so on. Since we're going for a minimal design, I'm going to keep this description and rating off. They will only be displayed at the product page. Once you turn on the action buttons, you will notice this quick view icon and cart icon. Quick view icon lets user view the products in a pop-up on the same page. Cart icon to add items directly in the cart from here. Turning on the CT button will show add to cart button here. Here the button text is select options since it's a product with different colors, that's why. Next, if you want to change the button text, do it from here. Next up, the query settings. This is basically where you tell the widgets which products to show and how to show them. Here, select the source. If you select product, it will display all the products and you can filter it out with the options below. Manual section, if you want to add products manually, just enter the product name here. A dynamic, where you just have to select the term where to fetch your products from. Now you can filter your products by author, brand, product type like simple product, variable product, visibility, categories, tags, shipping classes, and if you want to exclude any product, just enter the product name here. Decide how many products you want to display per page. Next, offset, that lets you skip a number of products from the top. For example, if you set this to 1, the first product will be skipped and it will start from the second one. From the filter by option, you can decide which products you want to show. For example, you only want to show your sales product. However, if you want to show all the products, select none. Next, choose how the products are sorted from these options. From the order drop-down, decide if you want to show low prices first by selecting ascending or high prices first by selecting descending. Next, we have the post with image option. If some products don't have an image yet, turn this on so only products with images are shown. Now on to the quick view option. Select the layout for the quick view pop-ups from these 4 stylish layouts. Next, decide how the pop-up opens from these 20 animations. Then we have the badges. Badges are those little sales or new labels. Decide if you want to show the badge or not. Select the badge style. We've got square and a circle. Next we have the direction where we have column and row. If a product has more than one badge, let's say sale, best selling, then decide how those badges should be displayed. In a horizontal line, then select row. In a vertical line, then select column. For sale badges, you can either show the exact discount percentage like 25% off or just keep it simple with a text label. Now if you want to show the sales and featured badge, turn this on. Featured products are simply the ones you have starred in your WooCommerce product list. Finally, pagination. If you have a lot of products, then use pagination. Let me adjust the product number to 3 so you can see it. Now here set the labels. It is set to previous and next by default. You can set the arrow type from the drop-down menu. If your store is small, say under 10 products, you can skip it and show everything on one page. So that's it for the content tab. Now let's jump into styling tab. In the styling tab, we have lots of options to play with, and the first option we have is general. Here set the image height. From object fit, choose how image fills the space. Next, set the space between the product images. Set the background color from here. You can go for classic or gradient. Giving the grid some depth from the box shadow. Now with just one click, you can add a beautiful border. Set its border width, select color. You can also adjust border radius and padding. I'm keeping the defaults, but feel free to explore. If you want to add an overlay to your products, you can do it from here and sticking with default. Now on to the content tab. Set the text alignment here. You can play around with these other options just like we did above. Now on to titles typography. Setting the font, size and weight, keeping the remaining settings at default. Setting the title color. Next, the hover color. This color appears when we move the mouse on the text. Now for the price, setting its typography. Adjust the space between the original and sales price from here. Next, style the regular prices shown with a strike-through or discounted items. Now on to actions. Here you can set the size of this quick view and add to cart icons. Adjust the background size, spacing, and colors for normal and hover states, or simply keep the default settings as they work just fine. Next, the pop-up content that appears in the quick view. Style it from here. Set the colors. Adjust the content padding to give it some reading. Next is SKU, taxonomy for categories and tags, title, description, rating, price with same styling options. Style the content you are using from here. Just styling the title and price a bit, the rest looks fine. Then we have got the pop-up buttons. Here set the close button icon size, set colors, and keeping the remaining settings to default. Next, style the quantity button and then the add to cart button. Now on to the pop-up variations, that is for variable products. So let's open a variable product for it. You can style it from here. We've got labels and price. Let's style it quickly. If your product has over 2 variations, adjust the spacing here. Choose it to display it as inline or block. Now style the drop down. If you have chosen to add XPRO swatches, then you can customize this swatches variation as well. There are 3 types of swatches such as color, image and label. Now for the badges, nothing new here, so we will do it quickly. You can set different colors for the badges. I am sticking with default. Finally, this add to cart button. Now hit the publish button. That's it. There you go. Your product grid is ready. And that's it. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing videos. Thank you for watching.